the steam train, and it stopped down there. It's venting its steam. Is it going to reverse, or is it going to come down here? There it goes, off into the distance. I love living here. So, yeah. And I have definitely seen a pair of great tits going in and out of this box. Now, they're not obviously nesting in it as yet, but they've certainly been scoping it out. So, fingers crossed. And there we go. Oh, a lovely wren in the background there. Look, diddly white flowers on here, look. Look at them little things. Tiny little things, aren't they? And there's a rose bush here, I think, that's starting to get lovely sort of purpley coloured leaves and things. And all the stuff that's starting to grow down here. Let's just hope that the we don't get a second frost and it kills it all off. Well, some of it. Some of it's been here since before we were here. All the laurels for a start. I mean, there's less there than there was. I think there's some dead stumps down on that side where we chopped a couple down, because there was all along that fence was this massive, great big laurel, and that one at the bottom on the left, that was huge. Took a few car trips to get rid of that stuff, I can tell you. Cleo and Timmy. Hello. And who have we got joining us? Bubbles. Sweetie pie. Hello. Little puss. Cats and that. It's Sunday morning and it's a bit blowy and wet out there, as predicted.